Today we're going to be changing the canister purge valve in our 2013 Ford Mustang. It's located right here. What you're going to need is a ratchet and a socket that's 8 millimeters, and we're just going to unplug this. So this tab pulls up like this. You just gotta pull that tab out and then get it out. So you have to pull the whole tab out, and that'll help you get your part out. Tab back in. And that's how you change out your purge valve on your 2013 to 2015 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.